County 133, try another call back and see if they still see them inside.
Yeah, Chase has our guy loading the wood in sight.
Can you direct the unit in, Chase?
One 133 on callback is going straight to voicemail.
26. 134 Alpha. Set behind the house directly south of the target house.
We're going to wait for a few more units and then clear the backyard.
26.
Chaz, you advise you have a pickup truck?
Send for a late Ford F-150, late 90s, early 2000s, 2-door. They advise he's now unloading the truck.
Yeah, give me the channel. Chase, is that him over to the left?
Yeah, he's just got in his car now. He's unloaded. He's getting ready to go.
Alright, stop him from leaving there.
Yeah, it's him right in front of you.
Alright, County, challenging one, out of the car.
Challenging 1, clear channel on 3 hours.
Securing one.
Yeah, they're securing one. Unit's on scene. He's the only one that we saw. I didn't see if there's anybody else still sitting in the truck or not, but he was the only one outside.
The truck is clear for... Chase, if you can just check the area, see if anybody else is out on front, we should be good here with this.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you until I was told to get off the radio. He's the only one.